Hi guys, welcome back to the Family Cooking Show. Today I will be making an awesome fisher soup that everyone will love. It won't be like the fisher soup Koreans you will make to punish contestant or Hell's Kitchen. Mine will be like a top prize for them. It will be really great weapon wonder, so yummy, so full of flavors, and you will never say no to fish again after making it yourself at home. So let's go. Oil the wok. Fry the dry red chili just for a few seconds just to give oil a bit of flavor. Add big chunks of onions and ginger. You can remove the fried dry chilies, you don't want to burn them. Then add minced garlic, chili powder, diced tomatoes, and add tiny bit of water. And stir. Then add the fish head, the style of the show. Use salmon fish head like this one, cut in half, throw them in, or you can substitute it with seafood or any meat you like. Also throw in baby corn, cauliflower, add water, and coriander leaves. Now you can put back the fried dry chili and add 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar and 2 tablespoons of Japanese soy sauce. Add water, salt to taste, 2 teaspoons of white pepper, mix a bit, but don't start too much as fish heads are easy to break. Add 1 tablespoon of white sugar to balance things out. Add bell peppers, salad greens, and tofu also if you like them. So looking good now. Now let's take out the fish head and set aside because it's probably cooked. Back to the wok, we're nearly there guys. Just add some quick eggs. I also do egg drop quickly with 1 beaten egg. And stir. Voila! That's it! Done, plate and enjoy. Yummy, beautiful salmon fisher soup. One of my favorite dishes. Do give it a go. I have a feeling you will love it. Alright guys, that's it for today. Cheers for watching. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't. Ciao!